Once upon a time, in a land of towering mountains and endless meadows, lived a kind, gentle giant named Giganta. She was the tallest creature in the land, with a heart as big as the sky. Every morning, Giganta would wake up with the sun, stretching her long, strong arms to reach the clouds. She would then tiptoe out of her cozy cave, leaving behind a trail of gentle footprints in the dew-kissed grass. Giganta loved to help her small wooden village. She would often pluck the juiciest apples from the tallest trees, or help the blacksmith forge the sharpest swords. Her gentle giant strength made her the strongest helper in the land. One day, a storm approached the village. The villagers were scared, for they had never seen a storm like this before. The wind howled like a pack of wild wolves, and the rain poured down like a river. Giganta, seeing the villagers' fear, decided to help. She used her giant arms to cover the village with a protective blanket of leaves. The leaves shielded the village from the rain and the wind, keeping the villagers safe and dry. The villagers were amazed by Giganta's kindness. They gathered around her, thanking her for her help. Giganta smiled, her eyes sparkling with joy. "I am just happy to help," she said. After the storm, Giganta's reputation grew. She was no longer just a giant, but a guardian, a protector of the village. Her story became a legend, told to every child in the land. Every night, as the villagers slept, they would look up at the stars and remember Giganta, the gentle giant who protected them. And they would dream of a world where kindness and strength went hand in hand, just like Giganta. The end.